Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing 4-step infographic. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide, and then we're going to insert this rectangle shape right here. Decrease its width, and we're going to give it the 5th number shadow. Then we're going to just give it this color rectangle, send it to the back. Let's insert this other shape, and we're going to change this color and make it lighter than the background shape. Let's insert this arrow, and we're gonna just put this triangle right here and subtract them. You can use the fragment option as well, both work the same. Then let's just duplicate it and move it to the right side, and we're gonna just send them to the back. This rectangle, for the remaining shape we're gonna insert this arrow. Let's put it on to that, show that the corners are aligned properly. Only some part of that darker shape is visible in the front, and make sure that this rectangle isn't showing just outside that arrow shape. Then what we're gonna do is insert our text. This is gonna be our title. Let's just change this color to white, and then we're gonna just put it onto our main shape. Let's insert a circle. What we can do is just duplicate it and change this color to white and put it on top of that other circle. Then we're gonna insert our text. This is the numbering. And let's just duplicate it into many shapes, maybe 4. You can use 5 or 6 or whatever the number you want. Then what we're gonna do is just simply change the colors and change the text. Also change the numbering. Change the color of the circle color as well, but make sure that the previous behind rectangles have a darker shade as compared to the front shapes that are onto that white rectangle. This will give it like another realistic shape look. And what we're gonna do is group them and put them to the right side. Now we're gonna insert a bold text block right here, in which we're gonna write our main text. Whatever the title you want to use, just put it, and let's put it in the middle and center. Then we're gonna complete this template. So yeah, this is the final result. If you want to buy this template, make sure to check the link in the description of my Patreon.